Steve is the director of IT operations, and he manages applications in production for internal and external business clients. He's constantly monitoring the health of these applications with various monitoring tools, but he's still getting complaints about poor web performance. Every day, he's getting calls and emails from business owners that their websites are running slowly. He's frustrated because the application was supposed to be performance tested before it rolled out into production. He's also doing performance monitoring, but the sites are still running slowly. Performance testing and monitoring just isn't enough. Trying to figure out what's going on is stressing Steve out. He's starting to have nightmares about website crashes, poor performing websites, and upset customers. Looking at all these tiers was giving Steve tears. What Steve was missing when he was looking at all those tiers is that he wasn't getting the full picture of what was happening on the web tier. Sure, he had CPU, disk, memory, and network monitoring, but what about actual performance times from this tier independent of the others? He had this for the other tiers, but not the full picture of the web tier. Steve has found the blind spot. Introducing LiteSquare, the perfect complement to performance testing and monitoring. LiteSquare offers web performance profiling that delivers faster web performance with no license, load test, or code changes needed. We find that blind spot that monitoring and performance testing miss over 90% of the time. Here's how it works. LiteSquare will identify, diagnose, and help fix performance issues that are slowing down your websites by examining 100% of the user workload. The turnaround time is between 24 and 72 hours, and typically we can reduce the load on the web tier by over 25%. Because LiteSquare is based upon web technologies, our solution works for commercial and custom web applications, both internal-facing as well as public websites. But the best part is that we don't require you to pay anything until we can reduce the load at the web tier and improve performance for all users. No licenses, agents, or expensive consultants, just results. Steve is sleeping better now that the complaints have stopped. No more nightmares about web crashes or slow-performing websites. Just happy customers and fast website performance. Performance profiling made all the difference. To discover what LiteSquare's performance profiling can do for your company, visit LiteSquare.com or call 888-212-1104 today. You're just hours away from a faster performing website.